IKEA YUPPIENALLE Holder for mobile phone. YUPPIENALLE is a phone holder and keyring in one. Easy and practical to bring on the go since it can be folded when you're not using it. 2 slots allow you to choose whether you want to position your phone vertically or horizontally. Suitable for most mobile phones. IKEA YUPPIENALLE price is only 59 cents. This small and affordable holder for mobile phones allow you to have your hands free when watching films or having virtual meetings. Perfect when traveling and easy to grab and bring with you in a flash. If you're in need of a phone holder, I highly recommend you to try this phone holder from IKEA.